Hey guys, Sean here from Radiolab Instruments. Got this nice old General Electric tabletop radio. It's in pretty okay condition. Looks like it's all original. As you can see, there's a lot of damage to the front. This glass piece looks to be a replacement styrene piece, but other than that, it does play well. So I'll go through the functioning of it with you. Dial light lights up great. Picks up on AM band, does have push buttons. Do all function.
Tonight we're in Tampa. Tomorrow we're in Orlando, Florida. We would love to see you. Tickets are available. You just grab them online at glennbeck.com/tour. I am not...
Fear, no doubt.
Plays across all bands, minimal noise between
A lot
the
of
stations.
that going on with this coaching
Really clear
staff. I think
tone
one thing that's dentistry is
Sample. Small sample.
Brooklyn.
Serve you. Dr. Matty and the team.
Debajo.
592. AdvancedDentistryCenter.com.
Push buttons work well. It's a really good little radio.
Those who give,
Great for the
those who
holidays.
receive.